What is the difference between a revocable trust and an irrevocable trust? My name is Philip Roos. I'm a Minnesota estate planning attorney. I hear this a lot, and the difference is right in the name. One is revocable, changeable. You can amend it. You can tear it up anytime you want to. And one is permanent. It's irrevocable. A revocable trust is a will replacement. It's something we do instead of a will document to decide where our estate is going to go. Anything we get into the private family entity, the trust, is going to be controlled by a private family agreement, and by virtue of that, we don't have to go to court. Wills go to court. Revocable trusts and anything that's in the trust doesn't need a judge's help. That's why we do a revocable trust. You can change it, you can amend it, you can tear it up. An irrevocable trust is used in very specific circumstances. It's very rare for most estates to need an irrevocable trust as part of the planning, but here's a couple examples. Number one, I want to protect one of my kids or another beneficiary from themselves. So my money, when I die, is going to fund an irrevocable trust that helps them. It can give them money for certain expenses. It can hold on to it until a certain age, but in the meantime, it's not theirs. It's its own thing. So if they get sued, declare bankruptcy, get divorced, etc., it's not theirs. They can't lose it. Another example is if I don't want to own something at anymore for some reason, oftentimes due to like estate tax issues. So I don't want something to be included in my estate when I die, so I'm going to gift this to this other thing, this other legal entity, and it's going to hold it for someone else someday. But in the meantime, it's not mine, so it wouldn't be taxed. This is a permanent transfer. It is no longer mine if I do it. It's not a transfer wink wink. It is really not mine. I don't want this money anymore. I don't want it to be taxed. I have enough money. I'm giving it away now. Life insurance policies, we do this sometimes to keep that life insurance money from being in an estate. The third one, and the one that I see the most often, is we have a special needs child, and we don't, again, the big thing about irrevocable trusts is the person for whom it is for, the beneficiary, it's not technically theirs. So it doesn't affect them for tax reasons or responsibility reasons or creditor reasons or whatever. So take a special needs child, and instead of me giving them inheritance, which will cause them to lose state benefits, I'm instead going to put this into its own separate thing, its own separate legal thing, a trust. They will continue to receive those benefits, and if they need something to supplement their life, this money can be paid out directly to vendors to kind of upgrade their life, pay for some of life's expenses without messing up those benefits. Again, they don't technically own the money, so it's done properly. It's a nice shield. These are complex. Don't do these yourselves. Use an attorney you trust. If you do have any questions, absolutely, please give our office a call or shoot us an email.